calling JPC Hotel. This is Jan. How may I assist you today?
I want to make a reservation.
I'll be more than happy to help you with your reservation, but before anything else, may I know your name and contact number, please?
Adeline Cruz.
Okay, Ma'am Edeline. For how many guests is this for reservation?
40 person.
Okay, Ma'am. When will you arrive at our hotel?
On January 26.
At what time?
At 3 p.m.
Do you have any specific room in mind?
A deluxe room for
Okay, ma'am. What kind of mode of payment would you like to use? For the mode of payment, we have cash or card.
cash.
Okay, ma'am. Do you have any special request for your reservation?
An extra pillow.
Okay, ma'am. I would like to repeat all the information and details of your reservation, ma'am. A deluxe room for 3 persons arriving at January 26 at 3 p.m. For the mode of payment you choose is cash. And for the special request, do you like an extra pillow? Am I correct, ma'am?
That's all. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. We are excited to see you in our hotel. For further questions, don't hesitate to call us. Thank you and have a nice day.
Mabuhay! Welcome to PPC Hotel. Would you like me to carry your bag? Wait, please.
Okay, ma'am. How may I assist you? Can I get one valid ID, please? Please get Okay, no, Mr. B. I will call an employee to assist you in serving. Thank you.
Good morning, ma'am, sir. I'm Mark York, magbabalotong every day. Would you like me to assist your luggage, ma'am?
Yes, sure.
Please pay, please.
This way, ma'am, sir. We are here, your room, ma'am.
Would you like me to open your room, ma'am?
Yes.
Thank you. Welcome to your room, ma'am.
Room service. Room service. Room service. Good morning, ma'am. I'm Marisa. I'm your room service for today. May I come in? Yes. Where do you want me to put your food, ma'am?
In the body.
What time do you want me to come back, ma'am? 3 p.m. Okay, ma'am. Thank you po. Have a nice day.
Good day, ma'am. Mabuhay. How may I assist you?
I would like to check out.
May I have your key card, ma'am? Please wait for a while. I'm preparing the payment.